Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today, as you can see, we have made an login system using Tkinter Python. These are the correct username and passwords. Okay, now if we will enter incorrect username or incorrect password, then it will show like this. Okay, now if we don't enter a field like password, then it will show please enter your password. Okay, similarly if we will not enter username, then it will show like please enter your username. So let's try and see how we can make login system like this. Okay, so first of all we will import Tkinter, then we will import message box from Tkinter. Okay, so first from Tkinter we will import everything. Okay, then from Tkinter import message box. Okay, then we will define a screen, give it a title, geometry 1000 by 650, and we will start our window from 110 and 20. Okay, this means that our Tkinter window will start from x equals to 110 and y equals to 20. Okay, and we have give it a title page and make it resizable 0,0 so that it can't be resized. Now we will set the background of the screen as floral white. Okay, so now we will put an frame 1 in which we will write that member login password username we will take from user, frame height 480, width 760. Okay, background we will set as white. Frame 1 dot place at x equals to 150 and y equals to 100, and we will write a text t1 label frame 1. In frame 1 text will be equals to member login. Okay, and give it a font Arial 22 and background as white and foreground as black. Okay, and place it at t1 dot place x equals to 390 and y equals to 130. Now run and see how it looks. So okay, it looks like this. Close this. Now we will define an entry box, entry frame 1. In frame 1, okay, background we will set as white and foreground we will create as gray initially, and font give it as Arial 15 and width we will give it as 15. Okay, now insert 0, username means first we will give it a text that is username. Okay, now I1 dot place at x equals to 405 and y equals to 190. Now we will bind it with focus in to on click, a function name on entry click. Okay, now we will bind it focus out to on focus out. Okay, we will copy it and paste it so that we can make another entry visit that will be for password. Okay, I2 it as password. Okay, now set is y equals to 240. Okay, and the function name will be 1 on focus out 1. Okay, now we will define function on entry click event. Now if I1 dot get will be equals to username, means that user doesn't till now we haven't entered anything, then we will delete at the end means username, and take the input from the user, means we will insert an empty string that will be entered by the user, and the configure its background as black, foreground as black. Now we will define on focus out. So on focus out event, if I1.get is empty, okay, then we will insert its 0 username, means is user doesn't enter anything, and focus out, and set it as foreground as gray. Okay, now similarly for I2 also, we will copy, okay, and paste this, okay, and change the function name as on gantry click 1, and on focus out 1, and I1 to I2, okay, and it's also 1, okay, and I2, okay, I2, okay, and username we will change to password, okay, username to password. Okay, now let's try how it looks. Okay, as you can see, there are username, and if you click on password, the username remains the same and the password remains the same. Okay, so let's move further. For that we will insert an image, photo image. I have an image for making it good. Our login system looks good. Okay, so I'm inserting that as a text, frame1 image equals to img1, okay, and setting as background as black, border 0, and place it at x equals to 50 and y equals to 70. Okay, so let's run. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, so cut. So now we will import our buttons. For that, first I will import image for the button. Okay, lt.png b1. Now I will input my button, b1 button. In frame1 image I have given img, and background I will set as white. Okay, and border 0, and cursor I will create as hand 2, means when we will take cursor on that button, it will be show like hand. And command I have given it as page, and second button T2, text give it as forget password or /username. This is just for fun. Font we will give it as Arial 8, background we will set as white, okay, and foreground as red, border we will 0, and cursor hand 2, okay. Now place it at x equals to 420 and y equals to 350, okay. So after that we will define page, we make our function. So if I1.get equals to username and I2.get will be equals to password, means user doesn't have write anything, and then if it is click on login button, that it will show error, message box or dot show error, and it will be please fill out these fields. Okay, now if I1.get equals to username only, then it will show like message box dot show error, please enter the username. Okay, now if I1.get equals to password, means username doesn't enter any password, then it will show like please enter the password, please enter your password. Okay, now else if I1.get equals to yes, means and I2 dot get equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 means if we enter correct username and password, then it will show info, means show message like congrats, your ID is yes and password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now else if he doesn't write correct username and password, means I2 not equals to this, then it will show again an error, that will be showing, that will be error, please enter your correct username or password. Okay, yes, so as we have done, so let's run. So as you can see that we have made our login system. Hope you have enjoyed, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you.